Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it by using the touchscreen or the buttons, the up and down buttons. Look for the settings option, and once you find it you can tap on it or press the middle button to enter. Now select the general settings, and here tap on pair and sync or press the middle button to enter. Then scroll down, find the pair devices, tap on it or press middle button, and here you will see the name of the phone that is paired with your watch. Tap on it or press the middle button, then confirm by tapping on the check mark or pressing middle button, and the pairing will be removed. Once it says no device is paired, you can go back. On the phone that was paired with your watch, you can open the settings and find the Bluetooth settings. So it's gonna be connected devices, and here you should see your Polar Grid X Pro on the list of devices. Tap on the settings or info icon next to it, tap on forget or disconnect, and tap on forget device. And then we can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.